the final pitch of the final inning of the final game of the playoffs. Yes, fans, the pennant is at stake. The score is 6-4, but the bases are loaded. 2 outs. The count is 3-2. If the bat is put out, the side is retired, and the New York Mets win. And here's the pitch. And it's going. It's going. Looks like a grand slammer, unless mighty Willie Mays can pull a miracle out of his glove and glom onto it. Oh, no, it's too high. Too high.
Say, hey, I'd do anything. Anything. Only if I can get that ball. Man, what gives? Say, hey, what's going on here anyway?
Willie Mays and the Say Hey Kids.